nice is I get to do a few houses at once. Well, at least like they're all in the same pod. So I basically just go pod to pod. Still kind of water issue over here. Anyways, I might check her property real quick. We're just gonna jump up on the roof right here, get these gutters blown out. And that's it. Let's get up there. Yeah, this one always is packed with pine needles. I mean, look at that. It's coming over the edge. Starting my valleys. Get right up against the house here. All these loose shingles. Terrible. This side of the garage usually doesn't have much. This is the front. Yeah, minimal. But it's that back edge of the house that's always packed. And then up here too, because that edge of the house, that front side, that gets packed too. Get these valleys. See, if you feather it down, take some of those top layers off, helps disperse it. See that? So, see, that's what I'm trying to show her or tell her. So when you look at that, I actually sent her an email. I think it was yesterday. I sent her an email saying, hey, drove by your house, you got a significant amount of pine needles on there. And the problem really is, so this roof right here is really flat, and on that back side, there's just so much stuff like right in there. So you see, for me, I'm actually more concerned about that roof's valleys, and like I said, using that new landscaping word or new gutter clean out word, marinate. Because if that stuff is allowed to marinate in those valleys, it is going to create a problem for that roof, and that's a brand new roof. We don't need it deteriorating before it's time, you know what I'm saying? I know it kind of stinks and it's like an added expense, but what's the versus, you know what I mean? And I'm actually not liking the way that ridge cap is looking. All the way from here. Let's see if we'll focus. Look at that ridge cap. This roof is brand new. Look at that thing. That thing looks annihilated. I'm gonna have to go. I have to go and check that out. What the heck? Now to get down. Don't die. Sun's going down. But just did that house. Doing this one. Going to do that one. And then I've done houses all in here. So. But yeah, what is it? December 1st? And I'm still doing gutters? Now just kind of clean up, pick up all some of the big piles that are left behind. Just kind of disperse them out. Looks good. Grab the ladder after, take it and bring it over to her house. Get that squared away. Just grab it and go. Do the grab and go. Good times. Going down, Houston with Dead Stick. Good enough, right? See, that's why I don't like this gutter guard. This stuff actually allows the stuff to get trapped in there. I mean, I know it's designed to roll off, but look at that. It's like blocked. Like even, how's the rain even getting into the gutter right there? It's not. You see this? This stuff right here, you don't want this stuff marinating in the valleys. It's no bueno. So this has got to be blown off. Look at this. See, right back here. Right there, she actually ends up with a water intrusion issue. At least she has for the past couple of years. And look at these. So check these fasteners out. Are these like... Okay, they're cleared over. They almost didn't look like they were covered over. Looked like the stuff broke through, but... Let's check out this ridge cap. It's like a nail. It's already popping up. Yeah, that's exactly what's going on. Some of the nails are popping up on this ridge cap. But it doesn't look bad. I think they did a alright job from what I'm seeing. But let's get this roof blown off and see what happens. I mean by marinating. If you left that stuff in there, it's basically just going to be a trap for all the ice. I mean, look at that. It'll end up being a trap for the ice. That's no good. This, see, it's such a low pitched roof. It doesn't have a very steep pitch on it. So let's just get this thing blown off, and then I'll take care of these valleys right here. Don't have to worry about the gutters. Just get all the valleys and roof blown off. This pile of screws, coated screws, was left on the roof. It was over by the skylight. So does that mean that they didn't attach the skylight fully? What the heck? Bring it along. See? Now no more marinating. Not bad. It's pretty good. See if it stands the test of time. Not too bad around that either. I wish I had my drone with me right there because I want to see what's going on over this mountain. They got rid of a ton of dirt. I'd love to just fly my drone in there and get an aerial. I think I'll do this. I think I'll do that this week coming up. But so that was it. Just showing you what I do during the course of a day sometimes, especially during cleanup season, doing gutters and basic, quick little cleanup type stuff. It's fun, man. I mean, I'm enjoying it. Make my customers happy. And so today I did 5 sets of gutters, I think, all in all. I must have like hit a wrong button on one of them, didn't record a single thing. And then on one of the other houses I did, I went to go hit the record button, I must have hit take a picture, so I don't know. Anyways, so that was it. Just hope you enjoy these updates from What's Up Guy Garage. Just getting work done. Thanks for watching.